Today, we are glad to join the people of Embu County for a training on alternative justice systems and alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. The aim of this is to enhance the capacity of the duty bearers in this county so that we encourage the use of alternative dispute resolution mechanisms in order to bring down the backlog of cases in the courts, and also to encourage a win-win situation. We are aware that when we embrace the alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, we are able then to bring a win-win situation. We are also able to bring down the cost of litigation and also the time of litigation. And so the objective of this training is to ensure that we enhance the capacity of the duty bearers from various sectors, be they the Ministry of Interior, the chiefs, the elders, the religious institutions, the National Police Service, and even and also link them up with the judiciary for the court annexed mediation opportunities, so that then once we are done with this, we are able to encourage more people to embrace the alternative justice systems. The other reason is because we know that most of the cases have been referred to the ADR processes, but then as a result of that reference to the ADR processes, we need to have the people who have been engaged share experiences, learn from each other, and also be able to refer and cross-refer the cases as appropriately as possible. And so to just mention that part of the capacity building is to ensure that we also remind the other actors in the alternative justice system processes to ensure that those cases that really must go for litigation, go for litigation.
Wacha niseme masomo ya leo ni ya muhimu, sababu hata serikali yenyewe inataka watu waweze kuwa wanatengeneza makesi yao yenye sio kubwa kupitia kwa alternative dispute resolution ambayo ni ADR. Na ninaona hii masomo itasaidia sana, manake hakutakuwa na kesi mingi kotini. Thieves watakuwa na kazi ya kufanya, na wenye wote wamesoma hii masomo wataweza kusaidia jamii hapa Embu.
The realization is that there are a majority of disputes that are resolved outside the formal justice system as we know it. Even as we are having this conversation, thousands of people are seated somewhere resolving disputes. So for that reason, it was thought important to consider how these people are resolving those disputes and support those alternative justice mechanisms, because they are equally contributing to access to justice in this country. Think of those cases where it's a defilement case, the elders sit and they pass whatever judgment or whatever decision they would pass. What effect does that have on the rights of the child? So those are the conversations that we are having, and we believe that as a country, because a majority of these disputes are being resolved outside the courts, it makes every sense to support those mechanisms. It makes every sense to empower those who are participating in those mechanisms so that they contribute meaningfully to access to justice, to those who are seeking justice in those forums.